Welcome to Summit Services, your go-to for air conditioning repair services in Beaufort, South Carolina. We understand the importance of a functional AC unit, especially during those hot summer months. Trust our experts to handle all your air conditioning repair needs promptly and efficiently. Is your AC unit showing signs of overuse? Let our expert technicians diagnose and fix the issue for you. We're here to ensure your indoor oasis remains cool and comfortable throughout the year. We pride ourselves on delivering top-quality air conditioning solutions tailored to your needs. Whether it's repair, maintenance, or installation, our team has the expertise to get the job done right. If your AC unit seems to be on the way out, are you ready for a new installation? We've got you covered. Experience the difference with our professional and friendly service. Don't suffer through another scorching day. Give us a call at 843-836-2653. Visit our website at callsummitservices.com/products/air-conditioning for more information on our services. Your satisfaction is our priority. Let our professionals take care of all your air conditioning needs. Beat the heat with Summit Services, your trusted partner for air conditioning repair in Beaufort. Stay cool and comfortable with Summit Services, where quality meets affordability.